Hi, my name is Manya Pathak and I'm so happy that I am here at Midas. पहले तो when I came, I was a little skeptical कि COVID चल रहा है, is it going to be safe? Is it going to be hygienic? But I must say, they have taken utmost care of everything. This super specialty Midas, where you can get all your therapies done, all your treatments done, is super safe. I did not even once had any doubt after seeing how well maintained and how squeakingly clean everything was. And all their staff and everybody who was helping or giving the treatment, or the doctors here, all are taken care of. They are very well qualified to do whatever they are going to be doing here, be it people who are giving you therapies, be it people who are giving you treatment, and all are absolutely thoroughly gentle and professional. So when I came here, I thought I'm going to get a traditional Ayurveda therapy done. I got Abhyangam massage, and I must tell you, it was very relaxing and very refreshing. In fact, I have just finished the massage. I have oil in my hair. I'm not going to take the oil off because it is really relaxed me. And I've been advised to wash the hair the next day, which is tomorrow. And just when I was getting the Shirodhira treatment done, oh my god, I can't tell you, it was absolutely bliss. I felt that I'm in some other place. It was so relaxing and it was so calming to my head and to my nerves and to my muscles that I think I have gone to sleep while getting the treatment done. I must also compliment the way these staff are so thoroughly gentle to you. They will ask you if you have any pain areas or if anything is uncomfortable or is there any discomfort. And the treatment or the therapy was amazing. So thank you so much, guys.